Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a really exciting video for you all. I'm doing a villa tour of our villa we stayed in Cyprus, in Protaras. I'll show you the name of it and everything. But we're leaving today, we've literally got to leave in like 20 minutes. So I thought I'd film a villa tour because it was very requested. And I hope you enjoy. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And thank you very much for an amazing stay. This isn't a sponsor or anything. I just want to say if you are looking for a villa in Cyprus, go here because it's amazing. It's in a really good place, right by the beach, by Fig Tree Bay. Watch my vlogs if you want to see. And yeah, I really recommend it. Obviously we pay for this all ourselves. It's not paid for by the company. I just have to say it because otherwise people ask. But yeah, I'm going to start outside and show you. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Okay, so when you come outside, this is the street it's on. It's called Naxos Street. That's not that nice, like the view there, but this is really lovely. And then from there, all the way to there is our villa. And also, just to let you know, it's a really short walk to this gorgeous sea bit around there. I don't know if you can see. No, you can't. But it's like just over there, so it's really close on Naxos Street. And then it's called La Mer Homes, or LA Mer Homes, as I know. Exclusive villa rentals, Villa Felicity. I'll put their website down below so you can book. They're on Airbnb, I think they're on TripAdvisor, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the door. And then we are gonna go inside. So ignore my dad, he's putting down inflatables, and ignore the overflow thing. This is the pool. It looks a lot bigger in person than it does in the pictures, which is really good. And then they keep the bushes really nice here. Swimming pool rules, I don't really know how they can actually look. No lifeguard and juicy well, obviously. This is a private pool, by the way. Then you've got the stairs here, you've got these nice bushes here. And then we've got 4 lounge chairs here and an umbrella, which is really nice. And then little inflatables, a really cute little table there. And then you've got that, but we didn't use it because we didn't know if it was for us or not, but it looks like it was. And then obviously you've got a little door that opens here, well not obviously, but it's like a ladder there of flowers on it. And then this is actually the front door here. And then here is a place with, I don't know if you'll be able to see through, it's got toilet and laundry in it and a shower and stuff like that, and cleaning stuff in it, so that's part of our villa. Now I'm going to actually show you inside, so that is the front door, suite number 1. But is that a barbecue? Yeah. So now I'm going to show you inside. You know how messy it is, we've only got 5 minutes left, but no one's really helping tidy up. And this is the doors here, and then you come in and it's still a bit messy because it's not completely done. I'm going to start here. So we have this table here. It's just a table. Oh, by the way, these big balcony doors open, which is really nice. I don't know what this is. I don't know. It's table mats. And then you've got a light here. I'm not going to... And then you get your kitchen here. It's like really blue themed. You have like pots and that in there. And then you have cutlery and other stuff in there. You get a coffee maker, I think, a toaster and a kettle. Got like storage in there, little random bits in here. That's a tiny little thing you get. There's an oven. Then you get all your cups in here. And then in here you get bowls and plates. And then yeah, sink, yeah. You get a water machine and a fridge, which is really cute. And they give you actually water when you arrive, and you get like a little torch on the side. Then there's this really cute thing here with like, there's a thermometer. I think that's the air conditioning. You get like little cute ornament things. I think that's really, really cute. And then, oh, there's lights up there, that's well random. Then in here, you get like bowls and trays. I don't really see the point of them, if I'm honest. And then an empty cupboard so you can put whatever you want in it. And then here is like the living area. There's a TV, we have not put that on once. Then you get 2 chairs here that are really cute blue. And you get a cupboard here. That's really nice. Got an ironing board in there, that's handy. I didn't even know that was there. You get this nice big radio, stereo thing. And then you get a nice little table thing. And then look, there's this, yeah. Got 9 minutes. And then that's the really nice sofa there. it is quite nice. It looks a bit cheapy, but yeah. Then you get the TV, obviously, like I said. You get a DVD player, that's the Wi-Fi. Oh god, the taxi driver's here. Got beach stuff there, shells, really cute. Then you get plugs. There's a lot of plugs in this villa, which is good because obviously charging things. And then you get cute candles, picture frames there. Yeah, this is downstairs, the main bit of downstairs really. This is the first bathroom. Ignore me because I'm not looking my best. These are like cupboards from IKEA. They've gone a bit off coloured. You get lots and lots of towels as well. I'm not sure what's there. And in every single bathroom, on the back of the door, you get a mirror, which is good. And then you get another door into the toilet, which is nice because it gives you privacy. There's marble bins, and you get these really cute little windows that you can open like that. I think that's really cute. Ow. Toilet's nice. Yeah, it's like marble themed bits. And then obviously you get your little thing here. I thought, oh, that's not a drawer. That's a hand thing. Soap. They give you a bit of soap there. That's our stuff in this pack. And then you have a shower with like trays, and the shower's really nice. You have one up there as well. Another window. And then that's obviously the downstairs room, and then that's the bit to the front door. You get nice pictures there. I think they're really cute. So now we're gonna go upstairs. These are nice, like I think they're like marbly stairs with the handrails, really nice. Nice big lights there, and a big window, nice view. Yeah. Then more steps go up. And then we're gonna go this room first. This is my mum and dad's room. So starting here, you get a chair, a stool, and a dressing table. Really cute mirror. And you get two nice big drawers in the dressing table. Another chair. Don't really know there's so many chairs. And then you get this balcony I'll show you. It's really nice. Just open it like that. Then you get that. Twist it. And then open it. And this is the view. So there's like the little beach thing over there. Not Fig Tree Bay. Fig Tree Bay is further. But yeah, this is the nice view you get. There's your neighbours. There and there. Then you go in. I'll shut that in a minute again. Actually, I should shut it now. I'm gonna shut that. So it's really nice to have a balcony, so you can just open that and let some air in. I'm not gonna bother showing all of that. I just think it's a nice addition to have a balcony. Each side of the bed gets bedside cabinets, and then this is the really big bed. They're two single beds put together, but it's like massive. I think it's bigger than a double. Cute cushions, nice picture. Then again, another bedside. There's air conditioning in every room. You get a safe, which is good, and you get a hairdryer in each room. And you get these nice drawers here. You get a lot of coat hangers compared to a lot of places. There's air conditioning. Then this is the first bathroom, which is really nice. This is a huge bath here. I love it. Is that a, oh, that was a drawer. And then you get your shower in there as well. And then you get this pull-out shower as well, which is really lovely. And then get this nice mirror here to show yourself in. And just overall really big bathroom. Then this is the toilet again. You get the marble thing and you get the window up there. Just really cute. And then yeah, that's that room done. All the doors match as well. Okay, then this was me and Alice's room. So it's a big double bed, not as big as the other one though. And then I'm just gonna show you from when you first come in. This is the first wardrobe. This room's got more wardrobes, lots of coat hangers, another safe, lots of storage space, which is really good. Then you get dressing table, quite a small one, but then you also get your hairdryer, this really cute like spa thing, bulbs. The light thing's really weird in here. Turn it off or on. And then this, obviously you get air conditioning here. Then this is your other room. I mean your other wardrobe. Lots of shelves, more coat hangers, and then 9 drawers. That's good. Yeah, I really like that. Then again on each side there's a bedside cabinet, lights, photo frame, a chair. There's another balcony on here which has the best view. You have a bedside cabinet, and then this is this bathroom. So it's really, really cool because it's like a jacuzzi, but I don't think it actually works. Like, I think we tried it, I think it's broken, but still that's really cool. And then the coolest thing is if you press this thing here, they go up. I just find that so cool. Like, look at that. That's just sick. That's like proper cool. And you get your little bathroom there. And then you have another mirror with all your stuff. And then another bathroom. Another mirror. There's lots of mirrors, plugs, all stuff like that. So yeah, I've really enjoyed our stay here. Cyprus is so amazing. You should definitely come here if you are looking for a family holiday place to go. Just to Cyprus in general, but also this villa because it's so lovely. I love this villa so much. It's so nice. It just feels homely in here and really nice. And yeah, I really recommend it. I hope you've enjoyed all my Cyprus videos. They've unfortunately come to the end, but we have Summer in the City, my birthday, Ariana Grande concert, Paris, but all of them good videos coming. So look forward and subscribe to my channel. I love it all so much. Subscribe, like, comment, bye.